Today I will explain Newton's third law of motion. It is one of the three important scientific rules made by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's first law of inertia, what it says, an object will stay still unless something pushes or pulls it. If something is already moving, it will keep moving in the same way unless force stops it. This is called inertia. The idea that things like to keep doing what they are already doing. For example, a football laying on the ground will not move unless someone kicks it. And if the ball is rolling, it keeps rolling until something stops it. Newton's second law, force and acceleration. What it says, how fast something moves depends on two things. How hard you push it, force. How heavy is it, mass. The stronger the push, the faster it moves. But if the object is heavy, it needs more force to move. Formula F is equal to ma. This means force F is equal to mass m multiplied by acceleration a. Simply, how heavy the object is multiplied by how fast it speeds up. For example, if you push an empty shopping cart, it moves easily. But if the cart is full of groceries, it's harder to push. So heavier objects needs more force to move fast. Newton's third law, action and reaction. What it says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means if you push something, it pushes back on you with the same force but the opposite direction. Example, DIY balloon car. I made this DIY balloon car using a small box with wheels made from box pieces and a balloon with a straw. When I let go the balloon, air rushes out from the back, that is the action, and the car moves forward, that is the reaction. Air goes one way, car goes another way. This shows Newton's third law in action.